This is a must-take course. This was the best experience I've had my entire hair transplant experience. I really enjoyed this course. I can't imagine not having taken this course. What else should I say?
Anything.
The faculty were outstanding. They were very informative. They were caring. They spent their time, and they were dedicated to training us. This is a very professional environment, a very professional course. I recommend it wholeheartedly.
I thought the course was super informative. I actually didn't realize the complexity of hair transplant, and this really provided a great overview to show me all the different aspects of it. I think I took away quite a bit, not just from the didactics, but from the lab as well, and it can really just enhance knowledge from here.
How do I do it?
Just say something.
I was here at the course with Dr. Lamb and Dr. Elliott, and it was amazing. I know I have a lot to learn, and I'll be back again, but I learned a lot today too, and yesterday.
It has been a brilliant experience. I have some experience with FUE, but this has just been a brilliant experience or opportunity to enhance my skills and to get pearls of wisdom distilled down from lots of brilliant faculty. Thank you.
So this has probably been my first course where I've gotten absolutely everything and even more than what I expected to get from the didactics, from the lab, just the exposure to quality faculty. It's worth every single penny.
Really,
Go for it.
really enjoyed the course. A lot of hands-on, a lot of experience hands-on with world-class trainers. Really enjoyed it. Really good experience. Want to do it again.
I'm Dr. Dalawari, internist from Oak Lawn in Illinois. Attended this course ran by HRS. Impressive course, great faculty, lot of learning over 2 days, but worth it, and was an excellent experience. Thank you.
In English,
Well, you want to do in Chinese? Go for it.
this workshop is very worthy because we learn a lot from this workshop, and because I'm the beginner of this territory, so I feel that from now on I have the confidence to join these territories. Thank you.
Also, so you're from Taiwan. Say
Yeah.
something in Chinese.
这个课程真的很值得来上。上过这个课程后，让我对这个植发的这个手术啊，变得比较有信心，觉得说我回去呢可以来从事这个工作。谢谢。
Hi, my name is Steve Gupta. I came here from Sarasota, Florida, and I drove 600 miles to come to this conference because I knew it was amazing. This is the second conference I've attended. You better get some sleep before you come because this is balls to the walls, and you will learn in 2 days. It's like drinking from a fire hose. Dr. Lamb has got the best teachers. He's cherry-picked the best teachers who are amazing in sharing their knowledge. And I've been a member of the ISHRS for about 25 or more years now. And this is definitely the best hands-on, most practical, most down-to-earth teaching experience that I have enjoyed, and I'm going to try and keep on coming back every year because there's so much to learn here. But get your sleep.
Yeah, let me know. I learned a great deal. This was an excellent conference to attend. I can't wait to get back and start putting some of these skills that I learned to good use.
What should I say? Oh, I need to say myself, introduce myself.
Whatever you want to say.
Okay. Hi, my name is Dr. Tree from Maryland. This is my second time to have this hair transplant 360. This is a wonderful experience. Each time I learn a lot, and this course is very well organized and very dynamic. Dr. Lam obviously is a great leader in this program, and I think is definitely very beneficial to my skill and my practice.
Hi, I'm John Bell, board certified dermatologist. This was my first attendance at the workshop, and everything was top notch, exceptional. Learned so much, and there's still so much more to learn.
Faculty and staff were awesome.
Hey guys, Dr. Sam from Houston, Alpha Male Hair Restoration. I came here to see hair transplant 360 with Dr. Lamb, and it's been an awesome course. I've enjoyed it, learned a lot.
My name is Dr. Nancy Achefu, and I'm here for the course organized by Dr. Lamb. All I can say is mind-blowing. It is mind-blowing. Don't miss it next year, and the next year course is also in July 2024. See you!